Yes, I'm back. And guess what? We're gonna go be getting some slurpees. This is gonna be fun. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Slurpees, slurpees. And so, like, slurpees, slurpees, slurpees. Okay, we're inside. Some donuts. It looks delicious. So good. Good.
It's favorite one. I'll get pineapple latte. I'll make a birthday cake first.
Oh my god.
You want birthday cake?
You wanna try the birthday cake?
Yeah. Pineapple mango?
You, Maggie?
Am I allowed to get three
Flavor?
3 flavors? Yeah.
Okay, now, Sour Patch, Wild Cherry, and Coke.
Too much. Did I get it all?
It's leaky!
Here. Don't show me.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh god.
3 flavors.
It was too much.
Huh? Take your time. They're about to give me 3. But so at least someone got it right.
Oh, birthday cake.
Birthday cake, yeah. I still got birthday cake, but I don't really want to try birthday cake. Okay, that was actually funny. Okay, so we got it. We're in the car.
Kelly's
We're to the gym.
Huh? Anybody?
Lola, Kelly's mom, she said she wanted
So
a
you guys heard
birthday
me
cake.
on my fingers.
She heard I got the birthday cake.
What is it called?
Today is 7-Eleven birthday. They 7-Eleven is created on July 11.
What is it?
That's why it's called
The
7-Eleven.
order. Yeah. Sour Patch
That's why today is the
Wild cherry.
birthday.
and Coca-Cola.
You got Coke.
So every
How's the
7-Eleven,
birthday cake?
it's free Slurpy day.
You want to try?
Sure.
They even have one.
Okay, let's see. This is birthday cake.
100th-year anniversary. You can fill out any
Birthday cake.
container you want.
So what? So are we gonna go?
Oh,
No, that happened a few months
God.
ago. You can bring any container, and you can fill it with Slurpee.
this is very
There
good.
was a guy, you know, that the water jug we have. He brought that.
Wait,
That was
what?
so funny.
What water jug?
He brought it.
What water jug? Oh, the big
You know
one?
the big water container?
Oh, this is very good.
I want
You guys want to go get some
Is it gonna happen
Slurpees?
next year?
We don't buy this.
There's like a new.
People buy. I don't know why people like Slurpee.
Are we gonna?
I know why.
Can I try yours,
It's
Mommy?
sour,
Can I try yours?
not sweet, but
They
you're
put
kind
too
of
much.
sweet.
I know. It's too much. They fill it up too.
Here.
Maybe that's all they do.
And they messed up.
Mine's just too
They
little.
messed up. Cause they're about to give me 3 cups. They're about to give me 3
You
cups.
should take it and give it to Cracky.
No, but one of them remembered, so they took it away from your hand. Because I was about to get 3, but no, I didn't.
Till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Swallow your pride, just fight.
Oh yeah, but mommy,
Yes.
you know you can use this You see this end? You can use it as a spoon.
You know, it's so funny. Today's July 11th, and the free Slurpee from 11 until 7.
Oh!
If you backward it, 7-11.
I get it.
Today is 7-11 day. Free Slurpee on July 11 from 11 to 7.
Yes, 11 to 7.
Backward, it's 7,
Backwards is 7-11. That's why it's called 7-11.
Till 7 p.m.
Now you guys get it. Very good. There's just a serious crash.
Mommy, look, everyone's looking.
Serious crash and everybody's looking. See, it's over there. People are in the bench.
Show for them.
A show. A show. Stuff just comes
I
out.
wish I got to see how it happened.
I know, right? I want to see how it happens.
Yeah, there was none there.
Did it just like happen? Magically appeared. Magically appeared. And, okay, nothing happens, just right. Bam. Oh yeah, something happened. That's so weird. So weird.
What'd you get?
In order, first, in the bottom, what is it? Oh, Sour Patch. Next is Wild Cherry. Then it's Coca-Cola.
It's just like 2 days. I like birthday cake. Can I taste yours?
I don't want to try the birthday cake. It's very horrible. I don't actually like it. Tried it?
You haven't even tried it.
Yeah, I did. Mommy gave it. I know, right? It's sour in the bottom.
It's really
One time I saw accident happen. Right there in the bridge. 2 cars hit each other.
Almost there. See, there's something that's called Sports Enough. That's the gym.
Hey, Lola,
I can't wait. Okay. It's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take a long time. Oh yeah. Thank you for guys watching. See you for the next video. Bye bye.